I'm here with Greg Curtis with the Good Earth Greenhouse, and this year has really been a fantastic year if you're a weed.
Okay, thank you. This has not been a fantastic year for us. Yes, for weeds,
For weeds
it
has
fantastic.
been, yes.
And about how far are we above rain?
We had a wet winter. We've had over a wet spring. I mean, for the year, parts of the state, we're looking at about 10 inches of rain above average. I mean, way above average for rainfall during the spring season.
Which is crazy. So what's been happening for us, Jeff? We've had more complaints this year, and I've been doing this 20 plus years, than we've ever had on weeds being the worst they ever are. So we always talk about pre-emergent every 60 to 90 days. I'm still going to stick with that because normally that works. But with 10 inches of rain, we might have to back that up to 45 days to 60 days max, because what it does, it washes that pre-emerge down past the root zone. So if you hadn't pre-emerged, if you're already pre-emerged and you're like, it stunk, I don't want to do it again, don't give up, do it again, and take care of the weeds that are out there. We've got a couple sprays here. We got a ready to use and a concentrate. And what we've been telling people, Jeff, is they call up, say what I need to do. Really, we probably get 5 or 6 baggies a day full of different grasses and weeds that people have pulled out of the yard. That's how bad it is this year. So bring it in so we can select the right herbicide to be able to do it. But I think the main thing is, don't get too mad at your lawn care guys. They're doing the best they can. I know we are. And then don't give up. That's the main thing. You got to keep going at it.
Yeah, and it depends, because some of these weed killers or the pre-emergent doesn't work with every single kind of weed. So sometimes you need specific products to take care of a certain kind of weed. I used to have a huge problem with the sedgeweed.
Right.
And it just needed a specific product to really take care of that.
Yeah. And sometimes people go, you're trying to sell me more product. We're trying to sell you stuff that works for that specific problem. So odds are you're going to have at maximum 3 different herbicides in your toolbox, and then a good fertilizer like we have here with a pre-emergent. That should take care of it. Now, some of the grasses you're going to start seeing, mid-June, some of the weeds, let me back up, are going to start going dormant. And they think, well, the heat's going to burn them out. It's not. They're just getting ready for next year. So again, try to treat it, don't let it go, and just don't give up.
All right, so if you have some weeds, don't freak out.
No.
Eventually you'll be able to catch back up a little bit, especially as we get through the summer season if you just use the right treatment.
Yeah.
All right, that's about all the time we have for this week with the Good Earth Greenhouse. Join us back here next Wednesday. More gardening tips from the Good Earth can be found on fox16.com. Click on Professionals to watch previous episodes or to ask Greg a question about your garden.
This segment is sponsored by the Good Earth Garden Center.